So my today's buy from Fresh to Home is this. The first is this oysters. I'll wash them and then I'll put it in salt, rub it with salt, and then make the famous Singapore oyster omelette. And the first thing is, for the oysters, first thing I'll do is cut it off and then wash it and put some salt on top. It's all liquidy. So this is how the oyster looks like. And this is the oyster. So let me start by washing it off. So now this is my washed oyster. I have washed it like 10-15 times with water, and I'll just sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt on top and leave it on for a few hours, and then only I'll make my oyster omelette later on. So this salting is the initial process I'll do. So see how big they are, quite big. I'm going to make oyster omelette. For this I'm going to first take this 1 tablespoon of corn flour with some water and little bit of salt. So the oil is all hot now. First I'll spread out my corn flour over this corn flour mix, and to that I'll add in 2 eggs. So this is 2 eggs beaten up. I'll add it to this corn flour paste. This is a very popular dish in Singapore, and I leave some space. In the middle I'll add some little bit of more oil, and to this I'll add in my oysters now. This is the oysters which I had sprinkled with salt. Now I'll put it in. So let the oysters cook in just a little bit more of oil. And this is my oyster omelette. Water. So this is what the oyster omelette looks like after 5 minutes of frying and letting all the liquid and water disappear. So this is a very famous. They have it with chili sauce. So this is my oyster omelette for today.